Hello everybody and welcome back to this project. This is a wardrobe mural. I had a client reach out and they wanted this wardrobe to be painted with this painting. Now this is a watercolor and obviously I can't do watercolor on an upward, piece of furniture, but I figured using this palette I could do washes to make it look like watercolor. So I start with my projector and I project the image up onto the wardrobe itself and I start tracing it out with my pencil. So this is a new thing for me to be able to work on a cabinet like this. It's very uneven surface and it's quite a challenge. And I'm also working with chalk paint for the first time. So here it is, me starting to fill in the color here. So yeah, I've never worked with chalk paint before, but it is an acrylic base. So it's very similar to my acrylics. It's just very flat when it dries. I actually really enjoyed working with it because it has such full coverage that I didn't need to do 2 layers. And this is going over chalk paint as well. The base layer color was chalk paint. She had fully covered it with chalk paint before I got there to prep it. So here's that wash that I was talking about. So I added a whole bunch of water to a separate container with the chalk paint, and I created a wash to calm down the colors a little bit and make it look a little bit more like the original painting that she was liking so much. We did agree that the colors were a little bit too dark, so we did go a little bit brighter, but I did kind of subdue them a little bit with those washes. And now I'm starting on the tree branches and the bushier parts of the tree, and it's all going on so smoothly and beautifully. I'm definitely having a good time listening to my podcasts and my spooky stories. When you guys are creative, what do you guys like to listen to? Do you have YouTube on in the background? Do you listen to podcasts or music, or maybe nothing at all? Let me know in the comments. So overall, this project didn't take too long. It was probably about 2 days, maybe 5 or 6 hours each. And I took my time just because there's so many little, divots and knobs and all sorts of things on this wardrobe that kind of make sure to get really right in those cracks. And that way, any viewing angle, you'll be able to see what you're supposed to see and not the layer underneath. So I was extra careful there. So probably could have done this on a flat canvas a lot faster, but this was the challenge and I loved it. Those finishing touches are always so satisfying to put on. Here is the image before, and this is what I managed to paint. I absolutely adore how this turned out. I love the light coming through the trees, and the washes worked out beautifully. I love how flat the paint is. I just love everything about it. I'm so proud of this. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments below. Do you think that I captured the original essence of that painting from before, or did I make it my own? I think I captured the essence. I just definitely made it a little bit brighter and happier than the subdued tones of the original. So just a reminder, this is what the cabinet looked like before and this is now. Thank you so much, you guys. I really appreciate you watching. I hope I earned your subscription today and maybe a little like and a comment.